What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So right now it's currently like 12:30, almost 1 o'clock. I'm gonna be going to Aldi's right now. We gotta go grocery shopping, and then I have to go to Hobby Lobby and get a couple things. But yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys at Aldi's. I pulled up to Cane's. I'm gonna get some food. I have not eaten out in a long time. I think it's probably been about 2 weeks that I haven't gone out to any fast food place. So I have a really busy schedule. I'm just gonna go ahead and get me some food. I'm just gonna get me a little. I'm probably just gonna get the 3-finger combo for me in reality, so we can share. We are starving.
Chicken hot chicken for combo, you chicken.
Can I get the 3-finger combo? That's it.
All right. Any extra sauce or ketchup, ma'am?
I have not been here in a minute. All right, you guys, we got our food already. We got the 3-finger combo. Let's go ahead and get into this. It is, hold on, let me try to fix this lighting. It is 3:06 and I have not eaten nothing. Drinking is water, so let's go ahead and get into the video, guys. I'll show you guys what I ended up getting. This is what we ended up getting, you guys. Got a 3-finger combo with fries and a little breadstick thing. I love their sauce. I remember I would always come over here. Hopefully they gave us some napkins. Yeah. And we did get water. I'm starving.
It's so gross.
What y'all be getting if y'all go to Cane's? I feel like, hold on, I gotta put this window up. Way too bright in here. I think Cane's is way better than Chick-fil-A. What do y'all guys think?
It's a little bit hot.
Y'all think Chick-fil-A is better or Cane's? Let me know in the comments, y'all. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, though. I've only gone to 2 stores. I had to go to Dollar General. Then I had to go to this other store. And I still have to go to Aldi's, you guys. I have not been. I keep forgetting that there's other things that I have to do. So I went ahead and got everything else that had to be done first out the way. I'm gonna go to Aldi's. I still gotta go to Aldi's, and then I have to go to Hobby Lobby and get a couple things. I went ahead and bought some Christmas stuff, which I'm gonna be getting a Christmas tree very soon. Maybe here in a couple days I'm gonna go get a Christmas tree, and then we're gonna decorate it. But I went ahead and got a little ornaments and some gift wraps. I'm so excited, you guys. Christmas is literally my favorite season or holiday. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get done eating. All right, you guys, we had to pull up to Starbucks because this little girl right here has to use the restroom. All right, you guys, we're about to go in. Alright, you guys, since we're already here, I low-key want to try a Starbucks drink. I just want to see what they have. If they don't have anything good, then I'm probably not going to get anything. But I kind of do want to try something. Let's see what they have on the menu. I didn't bring my glasses. Which one?
Hazelnut.
Okay, I'll try that one then. You guys, I actually have no idea what the hell I just ordered. They kind of told me. Let's go ahead and try that out. I probably won't be back to the Starbucks ever again after this. Alright, you guys, I got my Starbucks drink. This is just what they recommended me. It's a hazelnut syrup iced latte. So let's go ahead and try this little thing. This shit better be good. Let's take a little sippy sip. Oh, well, let me turn this off before I get copyrighted. Pretty good. Is it just me, or does all the coffees at Starbucks taste the same? Like, I feel like I've gotten like 4 different types of coffees, like hazelnut, I've gotten macchiatos, and I feel like they all taste the same. I don't know, that's just me, but go ahead and go outside. We stopped at Petco. We might come out with a fish, I don't know, but let's go. All right, you guys, we just got out of PetSmart and we ended up walking out with a fish. Show them. She's been telling me for the longest that she wanted a little fish, so I just went ahead and bought her a little fish. We do have to go buy a little aquarium thing for it. We're here at Five and Below. I'm just gonna go in there and see what they have. All right, you guys, it is like 8:45 right now, and I totally forgot to show you guys what I ended up getting earlier at Hobby Lobby and all those other stores that we went to. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys right now. I'm super tired. I'm literally about to eat and go to sleep, but let me go ahead and show you guys what I ended up getting at the store. Oh, this shirt that I have on right now is what I bought at Five and Below when we went earlier. It's a cute little shirt. I also got Reality one. Oh, it's right here. I got her.
This is
Who is that?
Bowie. I like Bowie. He's my friend.
I'm literally so freaking tired right now. I'm about to go to sleep. So I spotted these and I had to grab them because I know if I go back, they're not gonna be there. But look at this cute little Christmas gift bag. It's so cute. It comes with 3. Little gingerbreads. And this one. This one's so cute. But these are gonna be gift bags for Christmas. We went to Aldi's and I just picked up a couple things. One of the girls that work there told me that these are really good. So I'm gonna give these a try. These are gluten-free and 22 grams of whole grains. It looks really good. I'm gonna eat these with a Greek yogurt. We got some mac and cheese, the white cheddar and black pepper. I'm gonna try these tomorrow, maybe. Reality loves mac and cheese, so we're gonna try those tomorrow. And then we got some turkey bacon, which I got two turkey bacons. These are so good. These are so good with mayonnaise, tomato, and sourdough bread. It's so freaking good. I got this little chomps or whatever it's called, beef stick. 10 grams of protein, 100 calories, and 0 total sugars. And this one is jalapeno beef. It looks really good. I'm about to eat this. So I also went to Hobby Lobby and got a couple things. See you guys in the next video.